Okay, 45 minutes later, we made it to Brighton. It took a while. First car wash here in Brighton is coming up on the left shortly. I feel like this one could also be coned or replaced, although the old XP is still there on the latest street view, so we'll see. Oh yeah, it's still there. I don't see any cones either. Wait, what? Okay, I think I have to go around this way. Yeah. Oh. That answers our question. Next. Okay. Not necessarily coned, but bucketed. I'm not surprised. It looks pretty old. Well, at least you have an easy way to get out. Okay. Directions to the next place. Well, at least I can get on sooner. Well, I'm gonna... Yep. Okay, on to the second wash, second to last wash. I decided to save the best for last here. So, this wash is at a King Soopers, which is a little bit weird. They usually don't have washes. This wash replaced a Ryko Rocket tunnel, unfortunately. And yes, this is another razor. Not only that, but I believe it's a double barrel as well, so I get to film another one of those. Yep, I see it there on the right. Oh, I wasn't supposed to go that way. Never been here before, so... Yep, it's a double barrel. That's cool. Okay, now I'm gambling if I want to get food here somewhere. Yeah, it's literally at a King Soopers. Never seen a King Soopers with a car wash. Too bad the rocket tunnel is gone, but there's still the cutout in the bay door. You can see where it went over the conveyor belt. And you can see what the belt used to be. 6, 9, and 12. Okay, I have 7.25 and quarters, and I have a bunch of ones, so I'm probably gonna do that. This one's got max air dryers, which is really interesting. Alright. Here's the machine. There's wash options there, but they're easier to read over here. Wash my car for 6, like my car for 9, love my car for 12. Well, we know what we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna do quarters and my quarters and ones, so that'll just take a little while, so we'll do the love my car, because I love my car.
Payment for your selection.
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Alright, final dollar. I put in a dollar coin to see if it took it, but, well, it did, but I think you only... Wait. Actually, I don't remember. it registered as $1 coin or a quarter.
You have purchased the Super Wash. Please enter the wash when it is ready. The wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
Okay. Finally got a bunch of my loose change out. Power tower.
Please place car in park.
Well, that's nice. Both of my razors today don't have Premier dryers. This one has Maxers, which is kind of funny. But it replaced a rocket tunnel, so I don't know where I think the dryers were part of the tunnel, and they kept them.
The pre-fill cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
The arm plastic covering is offset. Wait.
The pre-fill cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
This double barrel is cheaper than the one I did in Texas about a year and a half ago now. Sounds like one or a few of the turbo nozzles are not spinning.
A protective product is now being applied to your vehicle.
It's crazy how big this wash arm is.
The sealant product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Yep.
A protective product is now being applied to your vehicle.
I wonder where's the speaker usually placed on these Washworld machines? Probably on the wall somewhere. This
A sealant product is now being applied to your vehicle.
this one doesn't seem as fast as the regular razor. I mean, it could have just more chemicals on the higher wash package, but. Yep, there's our spot 3.
Spot-free lens water is now being applied to your vehicle.
Thank you. Please exit slowly.
Those are some good sounding Maxers. Usually don't sound that good. Maybe they're like some really old ones. Yeah, they are doing better too than usual. Dryer timer is like impossible to read. Oh, yeah, that seemed like a pretty good wash. And above average max air dryers. That's nice. Well, one more wash. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. See y'all in the next one.